Alright, today I'll show you how I modernized my CNC robot pen and created a simple acrylic paint delivery system. In the previous videos, I started experimenting with this robot as a painting tool, first using it as a brush instead of a pen, and then testing simple forms like lines, curves, circles and leashes curves. At some point, I realized I needed to make the robot more independent. Before that, I was manually placing acrylic paint on the canvas right along the brush trajectory. It worked, but I wasn't happy with the system. It required too much attention and limited me to very simple shapes. So, I decided to build something more interesting. I didn't want a fully automatic paint delivery system because that felt too mechanical and not very authentic. I wanted something closer to handmade painting, where the robot would still need to go to the paint, pick it up with a brush. After testing different ideas, I found that a simple vitamin box was the best candidate for this role. It already had small cells for paint and it was easy to adapt. I also bought magnets to make the system more stable and used a glue gun to fix them to the cells. I am not very good at this kind of manual work, so I asked Nick to help me. He removed all the unnecessary parts with a polishing pen and attached magnets to reduce the movement of the cells on the surface. And it worked! And results looks pretty good, you can see. The next stage was writing software for the robot. Very my thing. The aim was to make it grab paint from the chosen cell. So I just made a simple function that receives the cell number, sends the robot to the position, and let the brush pick up the paint. Then it was time for the first run. I wrote a simple script that draws random lines using paint from the random cell, and it actually worked! After that, I experimented with circles and created my first artwork with this system. I called it Summer Hype. And I finished the piece by hand to make it real collaboration between the machine and me, not only machine. Finally, I wanted to create something more meaningful. After the third attempt, I achieved a result that I felt was good enough to share. And it's not perfect. I still need to experiment with the palette, brush sizes and the way the paint behaves. But overall, that was a very useful experience and I am happy with the result. If you like the video, please send me a sign, subscribe so you don't miss my next experiments. See ya!